Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to continue chapter number 9, percentage and its applications. And in today's video, we are going to elaborate our knowledge in the applications of percentage, and we'll solve a few questions of exercise 9b. Here in exercise 9b, question number 1 says that we need to calculate the value of the given percent. Children, we have already studied in the previous life class that a percent is anything out of 100. So, if I say 30%, it will be 30 out of 100. That means 30 upon 100. So, here in the first question, I have to find out 30% of rupees 300. This will be equal to 30 upon 100. Then children, we all know that of is nothing but multiplication. So this of operator will change to multiplication. And then 300 will come as it is. Now here, this 300 has two zeros, whereas the 100 in the denominator also has two zeros. So we can cancel the two zeros in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So we are left with 3 into 30, that is rupees 90. In the next question, it is 75% of 400 mangoes. Again, 75% means 75 upon 100. Then of changes to multiplication and 400 will come as it is. Here again, two zeros in the numerator and 2 in the denominator shall be cancelled. So you are left with 75 into 4, which is 300 mangoes. In the second question, also we have to find out the percentage of a given quantity. So here the first one, that is 2 whole number 1 by 2%, that is 2.5% of 300 people. So here first we need to convert 2.5 to a improper fraction. So it will become 5 by 2% of 320 people. Now 5 by 2% needs to have denominator 100. So when the denominator goes in the denominator of this fraction, 2 and 100 will get multiplied. So you will get 200 in the denominator. So this will become 5 upon 200. Of operator again changes to multiplication and 320 comes as it is. Now I can cancel 1 0 and 1 0. Then 5 ones are 5 fours are 20 and 320 divided by 4 is 8 people. Now in the next question you have 85% of 720 fruits. Again 85% will become 85 upon 100. Of operator will change to multiplication and 720 will come as it is. Now again I can cancel 1 0 in the denominator and 1 in the numerator. So we are left with 10 in the denominator, which is a multiple of 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 17s are will be 85. Then 2 1s are and 2 36 are 72. So you are getting 17 into 36 left, which is 612 fruits. Now let us solve the word problems related to application of percentage. Here 10% of a journey is 72 kilometers. How long is the whole journey? So let us assume that the whole journey be j kilometers. So therefore 10% of j is 72. Now children, 10% will be converted into a fraction as 10 upon 100 into j, because the off operator changes to multiplication, is equals to 72 will remain as it is. Now we can cancel 1 0 from the numerator and 1 from the denominator. So j will be equal to 72 into 10, because this denominator 10 goes on the right hand side and gets multiplied with the numerator 72. So j will be equal to 72 into 10, that is 720 kilometers. So the whole journey is of 720 kilometers. In the next question, 5% sales tax on a sale is rupees 2. What is the amount of sale? Let us assume that the amount of sale is rupees s. So 5% of s is equals to rupees 2, because s is the total sale amount. Again 5% needs to be converted into a fraction as 5 upon 100. Off operator will be changed to multiplication and s will come as it is equals to 2. Now 5 and 100 can be cancelled by the table of 5. So 5 ones are and 5 20s are gives 100. This 20 in the denominator will go on the other side and get multiplied with 2. So s will be equal to 2 into 20, that is s is equals to rupees 40. So the total sale amount is of rupees 40. Thank you for watching the video, children. We will do more questions related to this exercise in our live class.